right, so we're in the final stages of the contract to close process on your home. And here's where things are right now. So the lender, if there's mortgage financing involved, they're putting all the checklists together and trying to get us to what's called clear to close, and that means that the loan is ready to fund on the transaction. The title company is pulling seller payoffs to make sure that your mortgage is paid off at closing and making sure that all of our documents that you need to sign at closing are ready to go when you are. A few housekeeping items that you might want to think about: make sure that your driver's license isn't expired, and that's pretty necessary for the closing process. And then also, if there's any repairs requested for the seller to take care of at the closing, the receipts need to be provided to the buyer at least about 48 to 72 hours before closing. And then a final walkthrough is pretty customary and common, about 48 to 24 hours before closing, so that you can make sure that the house is in good shape and everything's been moved out before closing. Utility transfers. If you're the buyer, go ahead and set the utilities to transfer of the day of occupancy. And if you're the seller, you might wait until the day of closing and occupancy to just call the utility companies to make sure everything is transferred over for you. We look forward to helping you through closing. We'll go over the final documents when they come out and make sure that all the numbers add up and everything is as you were expecting. And as always, if you have any questions, just give us a call.